Yes, welcome back to day 2 of the test match between Australia and India, with play about to get underway on the Gold Coast. India to resume at 1 for 132.
And takes the catch. A fully has been taken. Beth Mooney's got the hand in the air. And you can imagine Smriti Mandhana cannot believe she's missed the fully there.
Yeah, well, I actually think they're going to have a look at this. The umpires are meeting together. Oh, dear. Oh, no. I can't believe it. No ball.
Or through. Did you get a finger on it just to slow it down? Darcy Brown's done a good job. What a terrific team they are in the outfield, the Australian unit.
Yeah.
Oh, plays it beautifully straight. As good an athlete as Perry is, she will not be able to cut that off. And into the nervous 90s goes Smriti Mandhana. Oh, just misses the position that she was set up for. She got enough of it. 4 more. And maybe this is it. Can it run away for 4? Yes, it can. Mandhana, the magnificent. There is a century to remember. Top edge will run away. There's 4 more.
Had another. Mandhana, easy pickings for her back-to-back boundaries.
Oh, boy. Moons, is the plan to bowl as many balls as possible to Poonam?
I did mention that to Meg earlier. I think we were just losing a little bit of momentum when Smriti had a lot of the strike.
Defensive field, you can actually afford to bowl really creative.
Gee, that's nicely timed. Beautiful shot. Didn't overhit it, just caressed it. She needs only 1 now, Smriti Mandhana, for the highest test score by a visiting player on these shores.
Go, Bills!
And she brings it up in absolute style.
Catch! Yeah!
Got one, finally. McGrath's been stationed there a while, and Mandhana's knock comes to an end. And Gardner, who's bowled so diligently, with great discipline, has been rewarded with a prized wicket.
Finally gets through the gap and breaks the long run of Maidens with a beautiful boundary. Over the top and runs away for 4. And, oh, just short.
Is that what they're thinking?
Oh, she's walked. Has she walked? She's walked. Well, there you go. There was an appeal. It was a muffled appeal. It was stifled. But Poonam Raut has said, I'm out.
That's a beautiful shot from Atali Raj. The width was there. She cashed in. That'll go down towards the boundary and across the rope. Atali Raj picks up another boundary. That's up and dropped. Mooney sharply to her left. A moment for Australia. The captain has been put down. She's got that nice and fine. That might go to the rope. Relatively new ball. Slashed away by Yastika Bhatia. She seized upon the length and the width. Quickly onto that, Yastika Bhatia. Oh, the edge to catch. Beth Mooney has held on to a blinder in the gully. And she pays back her great mates. And the relief is obvious for Elise Perry, a champion player. Deeply appreciated that.
I'll take responsibility for that. Commentators Moz. The action continues on the field. Oh, chance. Oh, hello. The direct hit will have her in all sorts of trouble. And Annabelle Sutherland looks like she's created something out of nothing. Lightning is in the area, and as a result, the umpires have got no choice but to make the players remove themselves from the field. Once again, the covers will come out.
So unfortunately, rain has had the final say on day 2. Play abandoned due to bad weather at Metricon Stadium, India. They'll resume tomorrow at 5 for 276.